Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are actually playing Jailbreak and we are getting this monster truck. I mean, look at those rims and those money rims, and it's so high. It's gonna be our favorite. I'm gonna say I started. So what we're gonna do is, so after I get this, I'm gonna have all the vehicles in the million base. As you guys can see, I have this. I have the Volt bike. I have the army helicopter, and now I'm going to have the monster truck. I'm just gonna go get my friend. There you go. Now my other friend could join, but if they don't, then rip for them. So we are getting this. As you guys can see, I do have $1,000,000 right here, so rip my money. I don't care, rip my money. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, look at my money. I am so poor, I'm gonna say. Hope no one comes in though and arrests me. I'm gonna say, I got it. Yo, this is so sick. I got it. Rip my money. I really hope this was worth it. Guys, the only reason I got the monster truck is because it could climb mountains if you get like, yeah, see, it could climb mountains. No! People say that the monster truck is a waste of money. I mean, I do regret buying this, but I just bought it because I just want to own all the money in there. I'm going to say, can I have key? Save. Wow. So now we are getting this. Okay, now I'm going to say, let's go. Maybe my friend will join. Okay. Oh, I forgot that we already had. Rip my money. I really don't think this is worth. I really don't think this is worth $1,000,000, but I mean, I think it's worth like 2K. Sorry, not 2K, 200K. More like the price of the Ferrari. Maybe one thing, it is very fun to drive. Could climb mountains really good. And come on, there you go. Yeah, see? It could climb mountains pretty well. Come on, spam V. Doesn't work. Come on, spam V's. There you go. We're in it. Wow. This was very scary to buy. Oh my god. This is so fun. Honestly, this is so fun to drive right now. Oh. So my other friend has joined the game, Bumblebee. He's my friend's brother. So the thing is that this is a really good desert car and it can go over hills really well. So I would be saying this is really fun to drive, as I said before. Let's try going on top of this. See if it works. Wait, let's get trained first though, guys. She's here, she's here, she's here. I'm gonna say, I am still recording. And so, she's like, oh, thank God, thank you. What we're gonna do is, she is helping us. So, say yes you. Say yes you are. So now we're gonna go around this. She's like, yay. Wait. Oh no. Oh, rip, 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 rip. I can't. Why am I moving sideways? I'm gonna say I will reset and come back. So my character is moving sideways. Be right back. Be right back. Oh, I hate to be resetting. Okay, so I guess I can just, yeah, just kidding. Gonna have to like, oh my God, I hate this glitch. Ah, this ruins the whole video. This is really annoying. Yay. I can't move my cursor. That means I can't go to the mobile garage. Oof. Oh, Jesus. I was sitting in a very uncomfortable place. Now I got like a squeeze in my leg. Oh. Where is she? Hope they didn't leave. Good. Wait. There I am. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up my friend. And then we are going to go to the museum. Oh. So I'm gonna say, Miss Nick, I will be at the V base in a sec. Wait. So that Tesla Roadster, he wants to be in my video, so I'm gonna go pick him up later. Yeah. Noise. I just say, Miss Nick, where are you? Oh, she got arrested by a camper. Oof, rip. This is harder. I mean, the suspension on this is really good. So like, yeah. I really don't think this is worth $1 million, but it's really fun to drive. It bounces around everywhere. Yeah. Ooh, we got some cops. You're not. No, sir. You're not arresting me. I just got my monster truck. Got any keys? No. Not here. Wheel. Let's see. There she is. There you go. Okay. No problem. Okay. Since I am nice, since I am nice, I will give you all my money right now. So, okay. So I am quite broke right now. So there's there's not much money. I have 1,124. Draw cash. Draw cash. Now I have none. I don't trust him. Yeah, get down. I'm gonna see if he dropped a key or not. No, he didn't. But I am going to wrap the vid up. So say goodbye to YT. Oh, sorry, YT. So guys, this pretty much wraps up the part. Here's my advice, don't get the monster truck, okay? But I mean, if you really want to, you can. So, thanks for watching, and I'll subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.